Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Raman Kaur. I study in rural English classes. My father name is Vinod Chaudhary. I live at Kata. I tell about my daily routine. I first of all get up in the morning, then I get fresh, then I come to coaching at 7 o'clock. Then I come back to home at 8 o'clock. Then after that I eat food and after that I eat food and then I go to school at 9 o'clock. Then I study different subject in school, and then I come back to home at 1 o'clock. Then I use mobile for some time. Then I go to coaching at 3 o'clock. Then I come back to home at 4 o'clock. After that playing some time. Then after that study 2 hours in night. Then I eat food in night. Then I go to bed. Thank you. That's all.